In this video, we will be talking about Ala-Quin Cream, which is used to treat a variety of skin conditions such as eczema, ringworm, athlete's foot, and jock itch. It contains two medications, Clioquinol, an antibiotic that prevents the growth of fungus and bacteria, and Hydrocortisone, a mild corticosteroid that reduces swelling, redness, and itching in the affected skin. It's important to note that this medication should not be used by children younger than 2 years old. The recommended daily dosage and the best time to apply this cream will depend on your specific condition, so it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. When using Ala-Quin Cream, make sure to only apply it to the skin. First, clean and dry the affected area. Then, apply a thin layer of the medication and gently rub it in as directed by your doctor, usually 3 to 4 times daily. Remember to wash your hands after using it, unless you are treating your hands. Avoid applying the medication in the eyes, nose, mouth, or inside the vagina. If the medication does get into those areas, flush with plenty of water. It's important not to apply the medication more often or for a longer period than prescribed, as this may increase the risk of side effects. For the best results, use this medication regularly at the same times each day. Continue using it until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if symptoms improve. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. If your condition lasts or worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. If you experience dry skin while using Ala-Quin Cream, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's still important to be aware of potential issues. If you notice any skin irritation, burning, extreme hair growth, skin thinning or discoloration, acne, stretch marks, or small red bumps on the skin, folliculitis, be sure to inform your doctor right away. Prolonged or repeated use of this medication may lead to a new infection, so keep an eye out for any new symptoms on your skin and contact your doctor if you notice anything unusual. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's also important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects that are not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for further advice. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Ala-Quin Cream, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to Clioquinol, Hydrocortisone, 8-hydroxyquinolines, other corticosteroids, or iodine. This cream may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so be sure to discuss this with your pharmacist. Additionally, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have tuberculosis of the skin, viral skin/eye infections, immune system problems, or poor blood circulation. It's also important to use caution with this cream as it may stain clothes, skin, nails, or hair. Be mindful to avoid contact with these areas. If you are considering using this cream for a child, it's best to consult with your doctor as children may be more sensitive to the effects of corticosteroid medication. For pregnant women, this cream should only be used if clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Lastly, if you are breastfeeding, it's important to consult your doctor before using this cream as it is unknown if the medication passes into breast milk. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. It's important to inform the lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this drug. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful and may cause serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing. In case of overdose, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. You can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222 for assistance. Remember, it's important not to share this medication with others. This cream has been prescribed specifically for your current skin condition, so it's crucial not to use it later for a different skin issue unless directed by your doctor. If you need to treat a different skin condition, you may require a different medication. Always follow your doctor's instructions. If you forget to apply a dose of Ala-Quin Cream, apply it as soon as you remember. If it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Do not apply a double dose to make up for the missed one. Now let's talk about the proper usage of Ala-Quin Cream. It is important to store this medication at room temperature and keep it away from children and pets. Do not flush the cream down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the cream is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information on how to do this. Remember to always follow these guidelines to ensure the safe and effective use of Ala-Quin Cream. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.